Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to compress a PDF and make the file size smaller. Now let's get right into this guide. Here's the PDF I want to compress. Right now, it's about 8.25 kilobytes, which isn't huge, but it can still be reduced. I understand that some PDFs can be a lot bigger, and depending on the content of the PDF, the amount of compression might vary. But regardless, I'll show you how to shrink it. To shrink the PDF, all you need to do is open up your web browser. We're going to use a free website for this. Head to your search engine and type in I love PDF, all one word. Hit enter. Make sure you go to ilovepdf.com. As you can see, there are so many tools available on the website, but we want the Compress PDF tool. Go ahead and click on that. Next, tap on Select PDF Files. This will open up your File Explorer. Now, find the PDF you want to compress. In this case, my PDF is on the desktop and is named Address. I'll select it and hit Open. After uploading, you'll see options for compression levels: Extreme, Recommended, and Less. Personally, I prefer to start with Recommended. If that's not enough, I can always come back and choose Extreme. Select the level you want and then press Compress PDF. It won't take long at all. Once it's done, you'll see a message saying your PDF has been compressed. In my case, it's been shrunk by 16%. Now click on Download Compressed PDF. Every browser downloads files slightly differently, but you can always find your downloads in your File Explorer under the Downloads folder, and it's Tyrannic. Now only 6.94 kilobytes. That's it. If you found this video useful, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful guides. Goodbye.